Hello everyone, the topic we are going to discuss today, that is the capitalization method. In this lecture, we will learn how to calculate the amount of goodwill with the help of this method. I am Sujit Kumar Sahu, PGT Commerce. So let us start. There are the two ways to find out the amount of goodwill. One, capitalization of super profit. Second one, capitalization of average profit. Now, there is the formula to find out the amount of goodwill under the capitalization of super profit. So goodwill will be super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Capitalization of average profit. So first we need to find out the capitalized value. Now here is the formula to find out the amount of capitalized value. So this is the formula. Average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return, and then we will get the amount of goodwill by deducting capital employed. So formula will be like this: total capitalized value minus capital employed. Here is the numerical question. A firm earns of rupees 10 lakh, that is the average profit. Normal rate of return in similar type of business is 10%, that is the normal rate of return. Total value of assets excluding goodwill and total outsiders liabilities as on the date of goodwill are 1 crore 10 lakh and 28 lakhs respectively. Calculate value of goodwill according to capitalization of super profit method as well as capitalization of average profit method. So here is the solution. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit already given in the question. Normal profit we need to find out. Capital employed 1 crore 10 lakh minus 28 lakh. Here the asset side approach has been followed. So this is the value of the capital employed, 82 lakh. Normal profit will be the 10% of the capital employed, and 10% is also given in the question. That is the normal rate of return. So normal profit will be 8 lakh 20,000. Super profit will be 10 lakh, that was the average profit given in the question. 8 lakh 20,000 is the normal profit we have calculated. Now here we get the value of the super profit, that is the 1 lakh 80,000. Now goodwill according to capitalization of super profit, just by putting the formula, goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. So here is the answer of the goodwill as per the capitalization of super profit method. Now we need to find out the goodwill according to the capitalization of average profit method. So goodwill equals to capitalized value of average profit minus capital employed. So first we need to find out the capitalized value of average profit. This is the formula to find out the amount of the capitalized value of average profit, and average profit was already given in the question, that was the 10 lakh rupees. So by putting the 10 lakh into the formula, we can get easily the value. We can say the capitalized value of average profit, that is the 1 crore. Now goodwill will be 1 crore minus 82 lakh. 82 lakh was the capital employed. So here is the answer. 18 lakh is the value of goodwill. Now one more question. On 1st April 2019, a firm had assets of rupees 2,40,000 including stock of rupees 40,000. The current liabilities were 20,000 and balance constituted partners capital account. If the normal rate of return is 8%, the goodwill of the firm is valued of rupees 1,20,000 at 4 years purchase of the super profit. Find out the actual profit of the firm. It means in this question the goodwill is already given. We need to find out the average profit. How it will be calculated? Here is the solution. Goodwill equals to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Goodwill equals to It is already given in the question, that is the 1,20,000 equals to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by 100. So super profit we can easily get it by doing some mathematical trick. So super profit equals to 9,600. Capital employed equals to total assets minus current liabilities. So total assets given in the questions, current liabilities also given in the question, that is the 2,20,000. Normal profit equals to capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. So normal profit will be the 8% of the 2,20,000 will equals to 17,600. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Super profit we have already calculated, that was the 9,600. Average profit we need to find out. Normal profit we have also calculated, that is the 17,600. So by transferring the figure from the left hand side to right hand side, we can easily get the answer of the average profit. So average profit will be 9,600 plus 17,600 equals to 27,200. So here is the end of the lecture. Hope you all have enjoyed the session. All the best.